Hey you guys, just finished a sew-in. This is, I'm gonna show your face, okay? I just finished up a sew-in. This is Her Hair is Natural, and this is it until styling. This is the sides. And the other side. Around here, no hair is left out, only at the bottom area. So, here's the other side. So she can wear her hair up and all of that without seeing any tracks. And there we go, before we style. Hey you guys, this is the finished product. This is her hair. This is the top. It's okay. The front. Okay, side. This is the back. I hope the lighting is good. But I just cut it down a little and added a few layers. Okay, you can turn. And she looks so pretty. I love it. It looks really cute. Okay. All right, that's it. Bye.